Welcome back to the travels of Ethel. In this week's upload, I head out unassisted in Ethel and I pop down to check up on Tig's van build so far. Today's not a usual day for vlogging. It is Monday and everybody's back at work. However, today is different. Yesterday, Oliver broke his van, so Oliver has now took Ravinda, my car, and I get to have a full day in Ethel. So I just tried to start Ethel, and obviously we've not used her in a little bit. Oh, my hair's come out. And she just wouldn't start. My client's already there. So, Oliver never lets me drive this. I don't know why, because I swear I'm a better driver than him. Oh, God, that handbrake's so heavy. Bit of a jerky start there. Oh, it's so weird not having a mirror, isn't it? Why, I've got a car behind me, but I'm just going to have to wait. The whole driving of this doesn't bother me at all. It's just getting used to it. Do you know it being such an old engine? Like the manual choke is on now. She's not very warm, but I can't really knock her really. She's just such a babe, this vehicle. Oh, my driving is so bobbler. So later after I finish work, what I'm thinking of doing is maybe going down to see my friend Tig. He is the coolest guy. He's a mechanic. I've known him since I was little. I want to go and see his Winnebago, if I'm going to be honest, because he's doing that up. I might just drive this all the time. I'm afraid if I drive this all the time though, Lily will never speak to me again. Right, so now I'm going around another big corner. Going down into second. You ready? Oh, God, you've got to have some serious power to get around them corners in this. Old but absolutely wonderfully quirky. Right, so Tig, what have you got it from?
Off eBay, love. You know me. Always on eBay.
Were you looking particularly for this model, or have you just thought sod it and it came up and that's what you're doing?
I just like the word Winnebago. That's what drew me to it. We were looking for a camper van and I saw Winnebago, so that's what drew me to it.
Oh, this is cool. We ain't got a bathroom, so this is ace. Oh, no! That's brilliant, Tig. I didn't even know it did that. That is ace.
I've not tried out yet.
You've not tried anything?
No, I've just got engine running, got gearbox working, got brakes, got it tested. I haven't tried out else.
Have you put this in? Because this looks pretty new.
Yeah, I've not fastened them up yet. This is all mood lighting.
Ah, so you've started with gadgets then, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, when I first bought it, what drew me to it, it didn't run, it didn't drive, It started up on key, but it wouldn't tick over. It sounded like a sick pig. There were no brakes, no MOT, been stood 6 years.
6 years?
6 years.
Right.
And all roof lining coming.
So you've had to do that first, obviously, to make it watertight.
Yeah.
So I didn't even see this, but all that pulls out, that like shower room, so then it makes it massive. This is so much bigger than Ethel. It's amazing. There's the seating area, and I'm guessing that's making up into a bed, which will be absolutely amazing because windows are a massive thing for me. And check out that beauty. And then
yeah, it arrived here on Monday night on back of a low loader from Milton Keynes. Tuesday morning I was here at 6 o'clock. By Tuesday night, engine was ticking over beautiful.
I have
Wednesday
no doubt
morning
with your
I came
skills.
down. Wednesday morning I was here at 6 o'clock. Got brakes sorted, took it out for MOT, and by Wednesday night it was tested. Wednesday night I did research into why the gearbox didn't work. Thursday morning I got here and sorted the gearbox out. So I sent bloke a message on Friday saying, oh, it's you know what I'd done to it so far, like that it's tested, it's insured, it's tested, it's running, it's driving all right, and never replied. Since about August, I lost interest for the last couple of months because of cold, damp mornings.
Yeah,
Come
it's
to
not
work
fun.
and I'll start on this at 6 o'clock while 9 o'clock, and then I'll crack on with day's work.
Dare I ask how much you paid for it originally, or is it top secret?
No, I paid £3,500 for it.
That's good. I don't think that's bad at all.
No, it's not bad.
That is really
the good
good.
bit about it is it said Winnebago and it listed all these negative things. Now, me knowing American vehicles, if I see something that says Winnebago, straight away I'm thinking 6-7 litre engine. Where do I get frigging parts from for that? But as soon as I typed in Le Charo, it told me that this were based on a Renault Master chassis cab. I can get parts from Bullseye, Leisureways, anywhere.
That is brilliant. Absolute brilliance. Have you got any, have you planned the interior? Are you keeping it original?
I'm keeping it as original as possible. I'm keeping everything as original as possible, but with slight tweaks just to bring it more modern.
Yeah, bring it back to life a bit.
I'll cover these and I'll cover doors. But there's a heater there.
Right.
It's proper off-grid because that's the control panel for the built-in generator. No, but I know it, when you press button it goes boom, and that's as far as I went. 'Cause until I've checked the fuel system on it, I didn't want to mess with it. In this back corner from outside has got a gas can.
Right.
You don't carry bottles, it carries a gas can. You just go to the petrol station and fill that up when you put your fuel in.
That's not bad, is it?
These turn 90 degrees to make a single bed. Not exactly sure, but I know they're captain's seats, so whether that actually makes another double bed, I don't know. I'm going to put a TV up there so it falls down.
Why don't you get a projector with a screen?
I've got one in the house, in my shed.
You need to do a projector with a screen, not a big telly. Because then you can move it outside in summer if you've got kids with you.
Might be an idea.
And put it on outside at van.
Might be a thought. It's a left-hand drive. Where you come to a junction, you want to see what's coming at you from right. It's a nightmare. So, sideways facing camera. It was built for it. 7-inch screen.
Oh my god!
It's not a sheep, is it? It's going to look different. It's not like...
Who wants to
that
be
Fiat,
same?
That Fiat, that Ford, that Fiat on the campsite.
VW.
Exactly, they all look same, don't they? This will drive on it. What?
It is beautiful. Have you decided on colour yet? Because you were a bit...
I don't like that.
So what are you doing? Are you sticking with red, but just not that one? Or...
No, just not red. I don't know yet. That warm, lighter mornings are started. That'll be going grey again into primer. And then I'll find a blue that I like and I'm going to put blue on it, see if I like it.
I like blue. What kind of blue there?
I don't know yet. A nice metallic blue. A nice metallic blue. And I'll have a couple of rattle cans made up, throw them on like that, and if I like it, then I'll get some more. I'll get it sprayed properly. If I don't like it, I'll paint it grey again.
And go again. Yeah, it'll have its own bumper system with paint.
Pump up suspension. Get bike pump on it. Yeah.
And that is the start of Tig's Winnebago. I absolutely love it. I think I love more the fact that he's as mad as me and he will buy that van because of all the faults with it and the fact it's called Winnebago, and he just loves it, and I love that he loves it. It's just so cute and gorgeous. I will be coming down again and seeing where he's getting up to and trying to follow him a bit on his van build. I have offered to try and piece this together, so hopefully that'll be something that you can see soon, and I think it'll be quite exciting and cool to see where he gets with that, because that guy loves a gadget and he's amazing at restoring. He's brilliant. Personally, I think I'm doing quite well at driving this, you know. I've just done right clutch control on L. I love driving Ethel. I love it. I absolutely love it. I'm definitely from now going to be being a bit more like insistent that Oliver lets me drive a little bit. Like, I've always drove old cars, always. I've never owned a new car ever in my life. And now when we go away, like, Oliver usually takes over and pushes me out of the way. And from now on, I'm going to say, actually, no, I want to drive. I do think I need to learn a little bit more in terms of having a play, like parking it into spaces, backwards and forwards, you know, like side by side for spaces. I think I'm absolutely fine. Parallel parking, I think, could be a bit of an issue for me in this, because I'm not the best at parallel parking, and like, you can't really see around a van, can you? Or am I just being stupid? I mean, feel free to leave a comment and say, actually, just being stupid, just get on with it. I feel like I can't really see. I really like that Tig has done the whole, like, he's got a screen and it's got his reverse lights and stuff like that. That is definitely something that I would love to put into this van later on. But we'll have to wait and see, won't we? See what happens. That's cool. And that's it for today's vlog. I hope you've really enjoyed a little bit of something different and me going out in the van on my own and it not being like out exploring. Please like and subscribe. Please help us channel grow a little bit and give us a little bit of love. We'd love to hear from you. Please have a chat with us in comments, because that has been an epic part of YouTube that we didn't expect that we'd love, but we actually do really enjoy talking to people and hearing what they're up to, and then seeing their channels and kind of things that they do and getting inspiration, and it's just really cool. I really enjoy it. So please comment, like this video, and if you're watching us, please subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and we're really trying to grow as a channel. Please. So I've just come out from being out on my own in my Ethel, and Oliver's bought me a little treat. What have you got there?
I got you some cream scones.
It's like celebration of independence.